just want to give a shout out to Choice Home Warranty. I had a problem with an oven at the house and I put in a request for a service call. And I heard back from them almost immediately telling me that I would be contacted by a technician who would be setting up a time that was convenient for both me and them. And I did. I got a phone call from the technician. I was able to have them come out to the house within a day or so. And they checked the oven, and unfortunately, the oven was too old and they couldn't fix it. There was no parts available any longer. But what they did do for me is they gave me a check and allowed me to go out and buy a new oven. And I'll tell you what, this was seamless. It was a very, very easy process. I didn't have anybody telling me, well, you abused this oven or you broke it because of this or that, and the other. And I got to tell you, I had a home warranty plan with another company prior. I won't tell you the name because maybe I'm not supposed to, but Choice really, really stepped up. They really did come right through and take care of it. So now I have a new oven. Yes, my oven was old, but you know what? There was no questioning me. They didn't ask me anything about that. They just told me they couldn't fix it. The technician was great. She came right out, diagnosed the problem immediately, and told me there was nothing available. So she got me in touch with Choice and they sent me the check. Again, kudos to Choice Home Warranty. If you're thinking about getting a home warranty plan, go with Choice.